If you want to pair the PS5 controller to Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case you want to open the settings on your phone, then go to connections over here, and then you should be able to go to Bluetooth quite easily. Now once we are in Bluetooth, and of course once Bluetooth is enabled, you should be able to activate or turn on your PS5 controller and put it to the pairing mode, which we can do by using the PlayStation button over here and the share button that we have on the left side, so the touchpad. So we're going to press and hold both of these buttons, and we want to do that until you'll see a flashing LED light on your controller. Once we have these flashing lights, then we should be able to rescan the list of available devices. And then over here, you want to select the DualSense wireless controller and then confirm that you want to pair. There we go. And that's pretty much it. You can, of course, use your touchpad if you want to. You can, of course, use buttons as well. That is not a problem. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.